Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use Meguiar's cleaner wax. So I'm going to wax this vehicle right here. I have the cleaner wax. It cleans, polishes, and protects in one easy step with a high gloss look right here. High gloss shine right here. So this is what I'm going to use. And the directions are, you're gonna go ahead and get started on this. Come up to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to start on this side. And it says, with the directions for the best results, apply to clean. Just washed the vehicle pretty well, at least I think so. Wash the vehicle for best results. Wash and apply to clean, cool, important cool surface that's in the shade. I'm in the shade, not outside, right here. And apply a small amount of the product onto the applicator pad and spread a thin, even coat on the entire vehicle. And allow it to dry. Remove with Meguiar's Super Shine microfiber towel, turning to a clean portion of for the final wipe. Okay, it's safe to use on chrome, aluminum, and surfaces. Keep off rubber and non-painted surfaces. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Now I don't have a Meguiar's micro thin towel, but I do have micro fiber towels. That I'm going to use on this vehicle instead, just because that's what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to open this up. Just turn it and then pull it up. And then inside you have Meguiar's sponge. This is the applicator. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this back. And pull that out. Put that to the side. And here is the wax right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some and put a thin layer on the entire vehicle. I'm going to do that by, let's go ahead, get some of the wax. And you see just a thin layer like that. I'm just going to take the wax. And just go circular motions on the vehicle surface. I'm getting a hood right here, growing up in the hood. Put it on here. I'm gonna get too caked up. I'm getting it out. Get some right there.
Battery 9%. Charge soon.
Like that. Gotta get the sides. So I allowed the wax to dry, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my microfiber towels, and I'm just going to simply rub off the wax. The longer you let it dry, the harder it will to get it out. So what you do is do a general wax on, wax off in the beginning, and then go around it one more time to do a finish off. So you can see how nice and shiny it is getting when I rub the wax off. Now if it builds up on one area, just go to another and just keep on doing the circular motion right here. Wax on, wax off. Switch up arms when you get tired. Just make sure you get all of it. You don't want this to bake in the sun. Just get this all